Now Romance and Violetta will dance gold level tango choreography with the count. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look from another angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, this time in slow motion. So we start with progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we dance closed promenade, finish in the corner and dance from here back Corte with open ending, and continue with outside swivel after reverse turn, followed by 5-step. This figure is also turned to left. We finish in promenade position and here we dance closed promenade. Let's look once again from opposite angle and in slow motion. So we start with progressive link, then we dance closed promenade, finishing near the corner. Here we dance back Corte, version with open ending, which means last step is forward 4-man, and then we dance outside swivel after reverse turn, and continue with 5-step, which ends in promenade position, and from here we dance closed promenade. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.